Alright YouTube, my car looks a little bit different. Almost as if it were new. But what I'm going to be doing now is replacing this with a stubby antenna. This is a stubby antenna I'm going to use. The kit that I got on Amazon includes this part, but not any of the wires or the connectors or anything like that. What I ended up doing is getting a $8 Walmart kit that includes the mounting bracket at the bottom that you're going to need to keep the antenna in there and stop it from sliding up and down. First thing we're going to do is to take this off. There's these two parts right here. I use my pliers right there to get it started, and then it twists off. Alright, when it twists off, it comes up like that. Down here you got to remove your carpet, move that to the side, and there's a 10mm bolt right there that I took off, and then that frees this assembly. So now that that is off, we're gonna pull basically that out. So we pulled that up and out, took apart those two pieces. This plugs into here. I just pulled this out. That gives you this. Comes out as a unit, and then you can do whatever you want with that. Sell it. You don't need it. So back to the stubby. This this part right here obviously gets this plugged into it, and then you just pull that through the hole now that we now have there, and all the free space we freed up. Also, this part comes apart. So on the left, that's what's gonna come up and under, and then that's just gonna screw onto the screw that that's exposed from the left part being up. All right, that's lashed on there. This is up top, and we are going to screw that piece on here, and that's gonna lock it in place. Okay, that nut secured it right there. So then all we got to do is spin the little antenna piece on, and then yeah, all done.